Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Adobe Creative Cloud installation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin fixing your Adobe Creative Cloud installation, start by ensuring your internet connection is stable. Disconnect any VPNs or proxies that might interfere with the installation process. Next, open the control panel on your computer. Navigate to Programs and Features. Locate Adobe Creative Cloud in the list of installed programs. Select it and click on Uninstall. Follow the prompts to completely uninstall the application. Once uninstallation is complete, restart your computer. After restarting, visit the official Adobe website. Download the Adobe Creative Cloud installer from the website. Before running the installer, ensure all background applications are closed. Right-click the installer file and choose Run as Administrator. This will give the installer the necessary permissions to operate effectively. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the installation. If you encounter an error during installation, note the error code displayed. Search Adobe's support site for the specific error code for tailored troubleshooting. If the installation progresses successfully, log into your Adobe account. Verify that your subscription is active and that you are logged into the correct account. Post-installation, launch Adobe Creative Cloud. Check if all your applications are listed and up to date. If any application is missing, use the Install button next to it. Should you experience further issues, consider using the Adobe Cleaner tool. This tool can help remove remnants of previous installations that may cause conflicts. Download the Adobe Cleaner tool from Adobe's official site. Run the tool by following the provided instructions carefully. After cleaning up, repeat the installation process. Finally, keep your Creative Cloud and all installed applications updated. This ensures you have the latest features and security improvements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.